A volcano can sleep for centuries, then wake in minutes, hurling molten rock into the sky and releasing more energy than a nuclear bomb. They build mountains, destroy cities, and even create new land. But what actually makes a volcano erupt? To understand it, we have to look far beneath our feet.
Earth might look solid, but inside it's layered like an onion. We live on a thin, brittle crust. Below that lies the mantle, a vast layer of scorching rock, so hot it slowly flows over thousands of years, like thick caramel. And deep down, the heat from Earth's core keeps everything churning.
That brittle crust isn't one solid shell. It's cracked into giant pieces called tectonic plates, which drift on the mantle below. Where these plates pull apart, crash together, or grind past each other, the crust is weakened and stressed, and that's almost always where volcanoes are born. When rock from the mantle melts, it becomes magma, a searing mix of liquid rock, dissolved gases, and crystals. And crucially, magma is less dense than the solid rock around it. So just like a bubble of oil rising through water, the magma slowly forces its way upward, collecting in pockets called magma chambers. As that magma rises, the pressure on it drops, and this is where it gets violent. The gases dissolved inside, mostly water vapor and carbon dioxide, start to bubble out, exactly like opening a shaken bottle of soda. Those expanding bubbles build enormous pressure beneath the surface, searching for any way out.
When that pressure finally wins, the volcano erupts, and the style of eruption depends on the magma. Thin, runny magma lets gas escape easily, so it pours out as glowing rivers of lava. But thick, sticky magma traps the gas until it bursts free all at once, blasting out ash, rock, and smoke in a towering explosive column. The most explosive eruptions can fire ash kilometers into the sky, where winds carry it across entire continents. Thick ash can ground airplanes, blanket cities, and even cool the whole planet for a year or two by blocking sunlight. A single volcano can reach far beyond its own slopes.
So why live near something so dangerous? Because volcanoes give as much as they take. Cooled lava breaks down into some of the richest, most fertile soil on Earth, perfect for farming. They create new land and islands, heat underground water for clean geothermal energy, and over billions of years, even helped build our atmosphere and oceans.
Today, scientists watch dangerous volcanoes constantly, measuring tiny earthquakes, swelling ground, and escaping gases for warning signs. They can't stop an eruption, but better forecasting gives people precious time to escape, turning some of nature's deadliest events into ones we can survive. So a volcano is really a window, a rare crack where the molten power of our planet's interior breaks through to the surface. Beautiful, terrifying, and endlessly creative, shaping the very world we live on. And if there's a science or nature mystery you want explained next, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Binary Brew, and I'll see you in the next one.